Connection is important, and the number of times you need to connect is only going up. But our busy schedules make it hard to connect, and it's never convenient. What if I could still prospect while being on the phone with other clients? Double my efforts while reaching out after a contact was unable to be reached. Through SMS and voicemail messages, even email and bomb video emails. Meet Contact Junkie, a new prospecting tool that can be used as a solo agent or when working with teams. A simple and effective dashboard allows you to quickly add contacts to one of our many pre-made campaigns or create a custom campaign of your own. Follow up with the contact and check the contact history right within the app. With multiple agents in the system, you can assign a contact to each agent. Integrates with Slack and directly with Pipedrive. Built by real estate agents for real estate agents. We use Contact Junkie every day. Sign up now to maximize your efforts.